My name is Emma, and my team and I are branded copywriting experts helping premium service-based and product-based businesses. As an alternative to our last video where we gave a 5-email welcome sequence, here's an alternate. When you're welcoming someone to an email list, maybe you just want to give them a single email because people have too many emails coming into their inboxes recently. If that's your opinion, and it's also what you suspect your ideal clients will agree with, then here's what you put in that single welcome email. If they signed up via a freebie, make sure you're delivering that freebie. It's confirmed that they can access it, so you double checked it. They can download it, they can view it, whatever the context is of this freebie. If it's quiz results, it's maybe in the body of the actual email. Make sure you've got it set up properly so you're delivering that value. The other things you want to tell them in this first email are what is coming next. So how frequently are you going to be emailing them from now on? What kind of content can they look forward to? And finally, you're going to give them a brief instruction of how to avoid sending these emails to their promotion or spam tab. So usually there's a way to whitelist the email address. You can give them those instructions.